Let's find the leak.
Hello, people. Call number 2 for the day.
Work
Clean
smarter,
outside,
not harder.
turning off on low pressure, short cycling, runs for 30 seconds and shuts off. I connect them gauges. Fortunate system drops to like 50 and it shuts off on low pressure. I already checked the airflow, there's enough airflow. I'll open up this coil so I can look for a leak. Right when I pay,
Get the right tools to make your job easier.
here you go. See it? It's going crazy, bro. And it resets itself. So we'll do it again once it resets itself. There you go. Let's go back.
Like, follow, and comment.
It's a leaker right there. Let's find out if it's the TXV or this coil. Stay tuned.